frontline staff, where creating awareness is going to play a major role. That is one task as a banker we'll have to take if we want to ensure success of this scheme. Let us come to the second part, creating awareness among the beneficiaries. Question is, who will do it? From the morning till this time, we have been harping on this issue that we must create awareness. But $1 million question is, who will do it? As banker, let me tell you, we cannot do it. We'll have to face this hard reality. As banker, it is very tough ask on us. This is one issue which must be taken in earnest seriousness. It is one task which has to be coordinated in a very organized manner by the government, by involving NGOs and other possible institutions, so that we are able to create an awareness among the beneficiaries so that we do not have 2/3 accounts with zero balance. Let me share with you. We have received large number of RuPay cards in our branches. We are facing two issues. One is delivery. In a rural branch where we have got a staff of 2-3 members, we can't expect our staff members to go each and every village to distribute the card. It is a very tough job for us. We are trying to do that in a camp mode, but that's a very tough job. And second job, activation of the card. Let me tell you, till date, every bankers will vouch, we have got less than 10% of the cards activated. See, the purpose of the scheme is getting defeated. We are talking of transaction, we are talking of remittances, but we are not able to take care of the basic issues. So, as a banker, I would suggest and request the panel that we should facilitate a system in which these issues can be taken care of so that this scheme can be made successful. And as a banker, I can tell you, if the second part is taken care of, we can take care of the first part. Thank you.